With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that 1 horsepower motor pumps out water from the well of 20, which is 20 meters deep. Okay, so it fills a water tank of volume 2238 of liters at a height of 10 meters from the ground. Okay, the running time of the motor to fill the empty tank is. So basically over here what we have to say is that firstly it is given that the motor has a power rating of 1 horsepower. Okay, 1 horsepower is basically equal to 746 watts. Okay, or you can say 746 joules per second. Okay, now what we have this much liters of water. That means what over here we have to do work. Okay, so basically over here mass of water will be what? Mass of water. It will be equal to simply density of water. Density multiplied by the volume. Okay, and we know density of water in kilogram per liters is basically 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, or you can say basically 1 kilogram per liter. Okay, or we can just write 1 kilogram per liter. That will also do. Into this is 2 to 38 liters. Okay, so liter and liter will get cancelled and we'll get what? We will get the mass of water as 223838 kilograms. Okay, now we will move ahead with the question. So basically the force, okay, or work done to take this much kilograms of water. Okay, that means what over here it is being said that basically the ground is, let's suppose over here. Okay, the water is being put up from a well that is 20 meters deep and it is being taken up to a height of 10 meters. Okay, that means what over here the net distance is what? It is 30 meters. Okay, so work done will be force into displacement. Okay, so force is what? Force, if you see, it will be mg. So work done will be equal to mg into h. Okay, so mg will be what? 2238 into 10 into h is what? H is basically 30. Okay, we'll leave it like this for now. Why? Because over here there is a chance of getting cancelled. Okay, so over here we have to find out time. So power is what? Power is basically nothing but work done per unit time. Okay, so from here we can find out time. The power rating of the thing is what? It is 746. Work done is 2238 into 300 divided by time. So we will get time from here. Okay, so finally what we will have time will be equal to 2238 into 300 divided by 746. Okay, so if you see properly, okay, 746 will cancel this quantity by 3 times. Okay, and what we will have our answer as 900 seconds. So 900 seconds we have to convert it in minutes. Okay, so in minutes, so 900 divided by 60 we have to do 900 divided by 60. So this will come out to be 90 by 6. Okay, so we will have the quantity, that is this will go by 3 by 2 times and this will become 30. Okay, yeah, 30. And finally we will have 15 minutes exactly. So our answer will be what? Our answer will be clearly option number C, that is 15 minutes. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.